In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the hosting in Hostinger and how to set it up. So you want to go to hosting, get new hosting, and you want to go through here and select which one you need. Honestly, there's so many different things you get between them, so pick wisely. For most people, I'd say this one here, WordPress Starter, is probably going to be okay. But really pick one that's that you need. Now, when you select it, it says this price here. This price is going to be if you pick the 4-year plan. So you're going to get charged £2.59 times by 48 months. So it's not going to be this cheap. It's going to be like £120 or something if you pick this one. But if not more, actually. So pick whichever one. It's going to be probably about £10 a month. And then once you've got that, you can go to hosting. You can go to manage. And this is going to tell you all of your usage, your disk usage, your inodes, everything that you need to know, really. Most people don't really need to know this. And you can also upgrade it from here. Now, you can go home, and it's going to pop up here on hosting. You can click manage here, and here is where you're going to be able to fiddle around with it. So you can go down to files, file manager, and you can pick one of these. And this is all the files associated with this hosting. So you can fiddle around with all these files. Now, if you also wanted to add some domains, you can go to domains here, buy a domain, and then you can link it to this, and then you'll have your domain access here. You can create subdomains here very easily. And also you can create a WordPress website with this. So you can click add website. It's going to ask you what kind you want. I'm going to skip that. I'm going to create new, and it's going to ask you, do you want WordPress or hosting builder with AI? Pick whichever one you want. But those are just some basic things that you can do with the hosting setting in Hostinger. You can also give yourself an email, and yeah, that's a pretty basic tutorial on what to do. If you enjoyed this video and found it useful, please like, subscribe, and comment down below that it helped. Plus check out our channel for more videos on this topic. Thank you for watching.